Hey everyone, it's Kelsey from Mattress Advisor. Today it's Bear's turn in the Mattress Advisor Lab. Let's see how well this bear can fend for its Mattress Advisor score. The Bear is a medium firm memory foam mattress with graphite gel. A queen size mattress will cost you $850 and it comes with free shipping, free returns, and a 100-night trial period. Bear claims to be a good mattress choice for athletes. Its cover is made with salient fibers, which help promote blood circulation and improve muscle recovery. Bear even donates 1% of every sale to Good Sports Charity, an organization that helps children benefit from sports and physical activity. The Bear comes compressed and rolled up in a box. A queen mattress weighs 70 pounds and is easier to set up with 2 people. The mattress took us about 3 minutes to set up. You'll want to be very careful not to slice the mattress when you cut through the packaging. The Bear was a little smelly when we opened it, but it went away within a few hours. So for ease of setup, we give the Bear a 7. If you share your bed with someone, chances are that no matter how much you love them, you do not want to wake up when they toss and turn in the middle of the night or have a spontaneous jam session. That's why we've tested how well the Bear can keep motion transfer at a minimum. First up, our whine test. This is a great way to see how much movement is being transferred from one side of the bed to the other. It's also a great way to see how well the mattress can support your glass of wine. Come on, we know you're curious. We had RJ lie down and roll back and forth a few times on the other side to see how much the glass and the wine inside of it moved. Just a little wiggle, but that wine stood its ground. Next, we took a more human approach to measuring motion transfer. We just replaced the wine glass with an actual person to see how much movement they felt. We had both RJ and Asha rate this on a scale from 1 to 10, with 10 being no movement at all. They gave it a combined 7.5 out of 10. So for a total motion transfer score, Bear gets a 7.75. Whether or not you've intended to, you may have found yourself sleeping at the very edge of the bed, or maybe you use the end of the bed to put your shoes on in the morning. If this sounds familiar, then you'll want to pay close attention to our edge support test. We asked RJ and Asha to sit on the end of the bed to tie their shoes, and we had them rate the level of support on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being extremely easy with exceptional edge support. They both gave it a 7, noting some slight imbalances as they performed the task. Next, we had them lie on the edge of the bed in multiple positions, side, stomach, and back, to see if they felt like they could sleep there comfortably. For this one, they both gave it a solid 10. We'll roar to that. So for edge support, the Bear gets an 8.5 out of 10. All right guys, listen up because we are pulling out all the stops for this next test, our pressure relief test. The way we measure pressure relief is by using a pressure mapping film that shows how much pressure is placed on different parts of the body. All you need to know is that the blue spots are good and the red spots are bad. The closer you get to warmer, redder colors in the pressure diagram, the more pressure is being put on that part of the body. When RJ and Asha were on the Bear, we noticed a sea of blue in most positions, but a few red spots on their sides, particularly in the shoulders. So for pressure relief, Bear gets a 7 out of 10. Did you know that keeping good posture while you're awake is just as important as good sleeping posture? Let's take a look at how well the Bear keeps your spine in a straight line. We had RJ and Asha lie down on their sides, and once they were settled, we took a close-up of their backs to see the alignment. Ideally, we want to see a straight line from the spine all the way up through the neck. We saw just a slight curve for each of them, so we give it an 8.5 out of 10 for spine alignment. Responsiveness is all about seeing how well a mattress adjusts or responds to different positions and movements while you sleep. Instead of placing a few medicine balls on top of the mattress to see what happens, we'd rather show you, a real human, how it might feel. So we had RJ and Asha lie down on the Bear in each sleeping position, back, stomach, and side. And as they changed positions and got settled in, we asked them how the mattress adjusted or responded to their movement. And they rated the experience on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being it adjusted perfectly and instantly to the new position. They both gave it a solid 9 out of 10. Way to go, Bear! You guys, the time has come to reveal our Mattress Advisor score for the Bear mattress. Our score is a weighted average out of 10 that incorporates functional and performance characteristics of the mattress, as well as a social responsibility score, which is a measure of social mission, community involvement, and charitable partnerships. All right, let me get a drum roll while our math nerds do some calculating. The Mattress Advisor score for the Bear mattress is an 8.6. Thanks for tuning in today to learn more about the Bear mattress. If you want to take a deeper look at any of these scores, just hop on over to the Bear Review at mattressadvisor.com. Now, if you'll excuse me, it is time for me to hibernate with my bear.